Good morning children, this is Jyoti R. I am here to teach you English on behalf of J3 Academy. Yesterday I started chapter 1, that is noun, countable and uncountable. I explained the rules of countable and uncountable noun. I explained some examples of countable and uncountable nouns to you. Okay? And today we will learn some more examples about the uncountable and countable noun, and thereafter we will solve the exercise. Let's start. This is the important fact we have to learn. Uncountable noun have no plural form. Children, uncountable noun have no plural form. Like air, sugar, tea. These are uncountable noun and they have no plural form. We sometimes use another word or phrase with it to give us an idea of quantity. For example, some butter and a slice of bread. Children, to show the quantity of water is an uncountable noun, we use some to show the quantity of uncountable noun. Okay? And an example is a slice of bread. How much slice of bread? A slice of bread. It shows the quantity of uncountable noun, and uncountable noun is bread. Okay? The article a and an cannot be used before uncountable noun. Children, a and article are not used before the uncountable noun. Okay? But the article the can be used before both countable and uncountable noun. Children, you can use the article for both countable and uncountable noun. Okay? For example, a man is sitting behind us. Children, man is a countable noun, so we use here a. And the money is in a safe place. Money is a uncountable noun, so we use there the. Another example, an alligator has big teeth. Alligator has big teeth, so we use there an, because alligator is a countable noun. She accidentally spilled the milk. Milk is a uncountable noun, so we use there the. Okay? We cannot count the milk, so milk is a uncountable noun and we use the. Okay? Next, the girls were very busy exchanging note. Girl is a countable noun. You can count girl. So, girl is a countable noun and we use the before the girl. Okay? And next example of uncountable noun is he blew bubble into the air. Air is a uncountable noun. Children, you cannot count air. So, we use before air the. Okay? The. Let's start to solve the exercise and use the rules that I explained to you. Okay? Fill in the blank with a, an or the. Write what kind of noun the underlined word is. Okay? First, fill in the blanks. Please pass rice to me. Children, rice is a uncountable noun, so we use there the. Please pass the rice to me. Okay? Next, insects usually have 6 or 8 legs. Children, insects is countable noun. You can count the insects. So, insects is countable noun and we use there a. Insects usually has 6 or 8 legs. Okay? Next, blank, music was melodious and enchanting. Music is a uncountable noun. Children, you can count music? No. So, music is uncountable and we use there the. The music was melodious and enchanting. Okay? Next, her Christmas gift was blank purse. Children, you can count the purse. So purse is a countable noun. And we will fill there a purse. Her Christmas gift was a purse, because we use a because it is a consonant. P is a consonant. A purse. Her Christmas gift was a purse. Okay. Next, she split blank salt on the floor. Children, salt is a uncountable noun. We cannot count the salt. Okay. So we will fill there the. She split the salt on the floor. Next, his family made with blank accident. Children, accident is a countable noun, and we will fill there an, because accident. A is a vowel. So we will fill there an. His family made with an accident. Okay. Next, blank tea was served in great style. Children, tea is a uncountable noun. So we will fill there the. The tea was served in great style. Okay. Tea is uncountable noun. Next, she feels sick when traveling in blank aeroplane. Children, you can count aeroplane. So aeroplane is a countable noun, and we will fill there and, because aeroplane, A is a vowel. So we will fill there an. She feels sick when traveling in an aeroplane. Okay. Next, blank joy on their faces was unmistakable. Children, joy, happiness, sadness, feelings are uncountable. So we will fill there the. The joy on their faces was unmistakable. Okay. Next, look, blank camel is pulling the cart. Children, camel is countable, but I told you that the can be used both before countable and uncountable noun. So camel is a countable noun, but we will fill there the, because it is a definite thing. It is a definite camel that is pulling the cart. Okay. That's why we will fill there the. Look, the camel is pulling the cart. Okay. I hope you understand whatever I explained to you, and next exercise we will solve tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.